Step number 1, create a Twitter post like this. Step number 2, come over to a meme page such as this one and have them post it on their story. Step number 3, you'll be earning a payout of a couple of cents to $2 just every couple of minutes. I've hit my daily target of $101.30. Now this may not seem like thousands and thousands of dollars and like a lot of money online at all, but if you go and look at this in the long run, if I bring up my calculator and go and type 101.30 times 30 days, that ends up being $3,039 a month, which is definitely a livable income. What I'm saying is, if you're able to achieve this in one day, what's stopping you from achieving this every day for 30 days? What I like about this side hustle, we're not going to be selling anything. In fact, we're actually going to be offering products away for free. In their example of this video, a PlayStation 5, which is very interesting because you may be asking, how do you get paid offering a giveaway of a PlayStation 5? So this website over here is a database listed with tons of companies hosting various different giveaways. These companies will pay people like you and me every time we refer someone to that giveaway when they submit their email and username to enter the lucky draw. Now this is a win-win for both sides because you or me are getting paid money to refer people to a free giveaway. This company is increasing and growing their email subscriber list for marketing purposes, where that company is able to utilize that to grow their business. This specific type of model is called CPA marketing, cost per action marketing, where you get paid every time you refer someone to complete an action, which is very different to affiliate marketing, where you get paid every time someone purchases your affiliate product. The purpose of today's video is to show you exactly how I made $101.30 in my first day doing this, so that you can learn how to do this easily in this step-by-step tutorial so that you can replicate this and make money online. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here from the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel, and on this YouTube channel I document my journey on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video we're specifically going to be talking about cost per action marketing. But before we get into the strategy, it's very simple, it's not going to take long to understand. I really recommend, if you want to get this right, watch this video until the end so that you don't miss any information that I give you. In my previous video I announced that I would do a $20 Bitcoin giveaway. We successfully hit 500 likes in the first 24 hours on that video. If you want to stand a chance to win that $20 giveaway, all you need to do is leave a like on this video and comment down below your most favorite inspirational or motivational quote. I will then choose my favorite one for the next video, announce the winner, contact you and send you your $20. Let's try and do the same thing today. If we can get 500 likes in the first 24 hours of this video, I will do another $20 giveaway in tomorrow's video. And also comment down below yes or no if you'd like me to do more of these giveaways in recent videos. But without further ado, let's not waste any time and dive straight into my computer. One of my most recent and favorite websites to make money online, specifically with CPA marketing, and I've talked about this a few times in my videos, CPAGroup.com. This is a cost per action marketplace where you can find all sorts of giveaways such as PayPal giveaways, iPhone giveaways, PlayStation giveaways, Xbox giveaways, all of these giveaways that these companies are hosting that will pay people like you and me anywhere between 50 cents and $2 online every time we refer someone to this giveaway. In order to get started with this website, come over to the top right and click on register and sign up your free account. Once you've signed in, your dashboard is going to look something like this. Now, if you come over to the offer tools on the left hand side, click on my offers, click on United States. And if you go and search on the search bar, I've already found the exact giveaway for you, so you don't need to go and search through all of them. Just go and search up PS5 and you will see over here, this page or company is currently hosting a PlayStation 5 giveaway. All you need to do is submit your email and zip. So by submitting your username and email, you have successfully entered for this giveaway. They will then choose one lucky email address out of all the people that have entered this giveaway to give that PS5 to, and you will get paid $1.88 every time you refer someone to this. Now, this may not seem like a lot of money, but also remember, if you can get 50 to 100 people to this every day, that's between $60 and $120 a day. And also think to yourself, who would not want to take 5 minutes or 2 minutes out of their day to enter a free chance to win a PlayStation 5? I don't think there's many people. So in order to go and get started in promoting this, click on this specific offer. You will see your payout, the date added, and the country it supports. You've also got various different tracking domains that you can choose from. I recommend just leave the default one, or if you want to change it, choose the one that is as short as possible. you'll see over here, you've got your unique affiliate link. Your landing page will look like this. Get a chance to win a free PlayStation 5. All your lead needs to do is enter this information, first name, last name, email address, city, zip code, and their phone number so they can let them know if they've won the PS5. Once they've entered for it, you will get paid $1.88. This submission process literally will take you less than a minute. Copy the link of your specific offer, come over to a website called bio.fm. If you haven't got an account, click on sign up for free. I'm going to log in with my existing account and show you what this tool is all about. This is a tool that will allow you to create your own landing page by bypassing direct affiliate links. Pages such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook usually ban direct affiliate links, especially if you spam them in your posts or post them in your bio. Now this landing page will allow you to bypass that. So I'm going to go and click on edit blocks. I just want to go and delete these current links. You want to click on tap to add content, click on links and websites, click on next. For your ad title, you can come over to CPA Group, copy the title of this particular giveaway, in our case PS5, post this over here, and we want to type here lucky draw competition, and we can put here free entry, and we can right click, just correct our spelling. For our title over here, we can just type enter here, and for our URL, we can copy our affiliate link and paste this over here. Click on add block, click on publish, and your landing page is now complete. So you'll see you've got your unique link over here that you can share on the bio of your Instagram, Facebook, any social media, or anywhere on the internet. The final step in how I did this is to come over to Instagram. Now we're not going to be using the usual way where we open up pages, spam the comments, create our own page, just spam it everywhere on our posts. We are actually going to go and find accredited and credible pages that already exist with thousands and hundreds of thousands of followers and pay them a small fee to shout out this particular giveaway on their Instagram stories as a shout out feature. So in our case, since we are giving away a PS5, you want to come over to twitter.com and type out the following. For example, life's better in white. I took a few surveys and earned a PlayStation 5. You can too, swipe up. If you come over to CPA Group and you're promoting a different offer, let's say you're promoting a $7.50 PayPal gift card. All you're going to do is just change this. Life's better with PayPal. I took a few surveys and earned $750. You can too, swipe up. So for whatever product or CPA product that you're promoting, just go and change this right up to fit that product. In my case, it's a PS5. You then want to go and screenshot this tweet. You can either go and tweet it and screenshot it, or just screenshot it as is. Open up Paint on Windows like this. I'm just going to click on Control V on my keyboard, as that's the key to paste. Click on the crop tool, click on rectangle, and just go and highlight your tweet like that. Save as JPEG and save this to your PC. Now you've got a saved tweet that we can go and use as an Instagram post and a swipe up feature. Finally, we need to go and find these credible pages to go and shout out our post. You can come over to Google and go and search up Instagram influencer websites. You can click on the first link over here by Shopify, and it will give you an entire blog on the 13 leading influencer marketing platforms. There is the top 13 over here, such as Dovetail, Grin, Upfluence, Clear, New Reach, YouTube Brand Connect, Shoutcart. There's plenty over here that you can go and use. The particular one I'm going to use that I've known that has been around for quite some time and that I've used a lot is shoutcart.com over here. You can go and register for free or also log in with your completely free account, which I'm going to do again. The reason why we choose humor and memes because they consist of the largest pages with the biggest audiences at the cheapest prices, because their prices are a lot cheaper than that of entrepreneurs, influencers, and many of the other categories. As you can see over here, this page with 657,000 followers with a 90 rating is charging $65 if I go and click on their specific profile. For a 24-hour feed post, an Instagram story will just cost you $33, which is very handy and exactly what you want, because remember, your post is designed for a swipe up feature. as you've got in your picture, swipe up. So that means they are going to use your affiliate link, which you will submit to them when adding this to your cart, and a lot of their audience will swipe up to your giveaway. As displayed here, they've got 657,000 followers. If they have at least 50,000 people view their story and 2,000 people swipe up and sign up on your particular giveaway, that's going to be 2,000 times $1.80, which can be potentially $3,600 from this on 2,000 successful signups. Let's take the ultimate worst. Let's say 50,000 people view your story on their page, 2,000 people swipe up, and only 20 convert. So now we go 20 multiplied by $1.80, which is $36 a day, times 30, which is 36 times 30, which is $1,080 a month, which is still an incredible amount per month to have extra spending money, to spend money on food, entertainment, or whatever you want to do with it. I mean, this itself is a payment on a house and a car. I'm also going to help you out by giving you tons of more traffic ideas for specifically CPA marketing, not only on Instagram, but TikTok, Facebook Reels, all sorts of short video platforms, which are very powerful platforms to go and do CPA marketing. On the screen over here, I'm going to leave my entire cost per action marketing playlist, which are probably about 50 to 100 videos that I've compiled over the past couple of years into one simple playlist for you guys to watch in a step-by-step format. So what I recommend is if you want to plug in a CPA offer like this one, or a post like this one, or traffic like this, you can mix and match ideas and kind of build your own CPA marketing system. I recommend go and click on this playlist over here and you will learn all the necessary skills and steps you need to become a CPA marketer. So click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.